Okay, we're now on the 10th floor. I don't know if you can... Oh, we do have a better view. We can see over those buildings now. Can't really see that third island though. Unless it's that little bitty one over there that we'll see in a second. See the majority of the town. There's kind of the old part of the town over there. The golden zone, Zona Dorada, is kind of halfway between here and the old part. Can't really make it out from here. And again, more of the countryside would be over this way. Let's take a walk here. Again, we're on the 10th floor. This was kind of our view. Saw that earlier. But you can see kind of the red clay. This area is probably known for. And the Sierra Madre in the background. Mother Earth. Very mountainous. That's where they're going to build a new tourist area, a new mall. A bunch of stuff. I forget all the stuff that he named. But it's going to be new and very touristy and big, a mall, and I think the movie theater and things like that over there. Which is back off the beach a bit. Anyway, there's my view again. We'll go on the other side and see if there's anything to see on there.